We have a winner in the Great APQS Quilt Forever contest. Over 500,000 people have entered the contest, but one lucky winner is going to receive a Millie plus a Quilt Path valued at $30,200. Let's see if we can get a hold of the winner. Hello?
Hi, this is Alex. I believe I just got a call from you.
Well, hi, Alex. You sure did. This is Dawn Cavanaugh from APQS.
Hi.
Hi. I have some news for you. You are the winner in our APQS Quilt Forever contest. You have won you have won a Millie quilting machine and a Quilt Path valued at $30,200.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah. Are you a quilter?
My mom actually is.
She is? Awesome.
Yes, I dabble a little bit. I mostly do embroidery by hand though.
Well, that's great. Well, this will be put to use in your family then. That will be wonderful.
Yes, it will.
Yeah. Well, we'll make arrangements with you after we hang up here. We'll get in touch and get all the paperwork going so we can get a delivery out to you.
Okay.
That's awesome. Alexandria, I'm so happy for you. You know, over 500,000 people entered and you are the one lucky winner.
Wow, I feel really special now.
That's awesome. Well, we're excited and hopefully you and your mom can get to use this quilting machine and the computerized part of it to make beautiful quilts and even perhaps get some embroidery quilts done.
Yes, that's awesome.
Terrific. Well, you have a great day. We'll get in touch a little bit later and iron out all the details.
All right, thank you.
All right, thanks, Alex. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Well, how about that? Another winner in the APQS Long Arm Giveaway Contest, Quilt Forever. With 500,000 people entering, it's very exciting to have someone win who's close to home. We wish you luck. Be sure to enter next time. Check our Facebook page, YouTube channel. We're here for you at APQS.